Hello everyone, welcome to another video and I hope you all are doing very well. In this video I am going to explain you about my channel and my videos which I am gonna make this year and next year. So basically I am also a fresher like you and I am also a student. I started this channel 5 years ago and I was teaching maths here. The concepts I studied I also started explaining here. I got so much love on my mathematics videos as well, and after that I started uploading coding videos. On coding videos I got so much love and so much support of you guys, but somehow I stopped coding because of artificial intelligence coming back, and my background was totally non-tech, so I stopped coding. But I started some exploring some other fields like data analytics and data science, so I started preparing for it and now I'm building my knowledge over it. Also, in these days, while preparing for jobs, I give multiple interviews, I give multiple assessments of different MNCs and startup companies. I would like to share my experience with you guys so that it can help you to excel your journey. As a fresher, you need some guidance, some help, you seek for some support from your seniors, and I will be your that senior. So if you guys face any problem while like if you want to give interview next day and you want somebody who can help you in preparation, I could be the one. If you want someone who can explain you about the company's hiring process, then I could be the one. Till now I have given approx 30 plus assessments and also their interviews. So yes, I can clearly help you in solving questions and also how to tackle that test. Okay, how to clear it. Till now the best test I have cleared was KPMG's analyst test, that I cleared, and I got interview invitation, but unluckily I was unable to attend that interview. So yes, till now I have not I can say I have not achieved that much, but I have learned so much. And yes, currently I am working and I would like to help my fellow friends and my fellow colleagues, my fellow freshers, to gain a good job, to attain a good career, and this is my motive for building growth stacks. So if you guys came on this video, watched this full video, I would definitely tell that you will not regret to subscribe and follow this channel. Why I'm saying this? Because till now I have helped approx 600 to 700 plus students through my Instagram page and my YouTube channel. People are subscribing and following my channel because my videos are helpful. Also, I want to gain more support and more audience. I want to reach to more and more audience so that I can help people in larger amount. Also, I want to prepare everyone, every fresher for their interviews so that they can clear it and perform much better than the experienced one as well. Till now I got so many rejections, so many selections, and so many silence. I faced everything which you are facing right now. I faced every rejection which you are also dealing right now, and I think if you are facing the same, you can definitely trust my channel. I will upload the latest job links. I will also upload how you can get referral, how you should prepare your resume to get shortlisted and to get the assessment link, because for getting the assessment your resume should be shortlisted, and for shortlisting it you must have a resume that must have a ATS score of 95 plus at least. So I will help you with that. So you can explore my channel until I will make a new video. Also, I will be let me tell you what I will be sharing. So I will be sharing about Cognizant's hiring process, Amazon's hiring process, KPMG's hiring process, Genflect's hiring process, Sutherland's hiring process, Teleperformance hiring process, Excel Dynamics hiring process, and multiple companies. So I have already given the test and already faced some rejections. I know where I got rejected. I know why I was selected, if I got selected, and if I got rejected, why I was rejected for that. And believe me, all my rejections can help you to get selected in that particular company. My recent video, which was about S&P Global, got so many views, and also about Innodata got so many views and comments as well. All because the video was worth it of watching, because people who are searching for jobs waste their time in some different channels which are manipulating students. Also through this channel I really want to explain you guys, and I really want to uh, say you that you shouldn't believe those famous channels now, who told you that AI is coming and your job will be gone, or AI is the future of jobs. You have to prepare AI and tech, only AI and data. They include the words like AI, data, Python in every video of their channel and gain views, right? So I will not be the one. I will genuinely speak how to get a technical role or a non-technical role. For a technical role, it is mandatory to have a technical background right now. And if somebody says that we have a non-tech background and still we are in technical, please explain your whole journey, then we can expect. Okay, so never trust anybody on YouTube, especially the big YouTubers who are lying blindly. They are not even seeing that students are facing so many rejections. Okay, they just sell their 6,000 or 7,000, 8,000 course, and they seek the trust of the students. They gain their students trust, and after all, the student is the one who faced the loss of money and their time. So I will be the one who will be telling you and guiding you which course you should pursue to follow that career. For example, if you want to pursue your career in data science, then which course you should do. It should not be firstly that much expensive, and it should not be that much time taking as well. So I will help you in selecting your courses. This is my channel, and you can ask any doubt, any question, anything about your career and your corporate life. If you are facing any problem, you can ask me. And on Instagram, you can follow me, you can comment your doubts. I will always be there. So this was all about growth stack. I will be helping you in growing in your career, as well as I also want to grow. So I will also try to make more and more videos about my experience, and I will try to gain more and more experience to share with you guys. Okay, so from this video, after this video, I expect if you are the one fresher or student who is watching this video, will be commenting that yes, the videos or the channel will be helpful for us, because I saw many students and many people on my Instagram DMing me and messaging me that we want complete details of videos, but at that time I was really unable to make such videos. Such explanation was easy for me to explain you, but it was hard to record that videos. But now I will be completely focusing only to build my community which help each other. I came across multiple people. I got referrals as well, and my referrals also got rejected. So why they are getting rejected? There are multiple reasons why a company rejects you. So never get demotivated and follow this channel. Get opportunities, get roles, even in non-technical and technical roles. I will be explaining about both, because I have interviewed for both. I got selection for both, and finally I landed to a non-technical job. Okay, so don't think that I am from a technical background. Firstly, I'm not from I'm from a non-technical background, and also I got a job in non-technical background. But yes, the company is more technical than me. Okay, but previously I got a technical job and I left that. I will be explaining on my channel why I left that and why I chose for non-technical role. But yes, till now I collected many offers and I rejected many offers. I also saw many silences in my whole career journey, in my whole applying journey. So the main motive is just to help you guys through my videos. Otherwise I wouldn't be making this kind of videos, because people enjoy entertainment most, but I know what is the pain point of students and how I can help them. My experiences can help more and more people usually search for those kind of experiences. So yes, this was all about growth stack. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked my channel and my motive, then do follow and subscribe. I hope you will get a good job and also a good life